Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start the diamond quest in Fish It Roblox. So most players walk right past this NPC, but you need to know that you cannot get the diamond road without starting the secret quest. And you can just watch this quick guide to find the diamond researcher's hidden spot and learn the requirements to start your quest. So first, to find the researcher, you can just go to the fisherman island in here and then just head into the mutation cellar. In here you can just go to this doors right here, and as you guys can see, there are this diamond, little diamond in here in the front of the mutation cellar. So let's just go inside in here, and now you can just find the diamond researcher here. From the door you can just go right, this one's right here, and this is the diamond researcher. You can just start the quest by talking to him first, and there will be this diamond researcher quest, and after that this will show up on your quest list. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 mission that you need to do to get the diamond road. First, you need to own the element road for starting this quest, and you need to catch actually 1 2 3 secret fishes, one at the coral reefs, and then the tropical grove and the Loch Ness monster on the Kohana island. You need to also bring Larry or diamond researcher the mutated gemstone ruby, and the last one, you need to catch 100 fish using the perfect throw. So just finish all of this mission, and after that you'll get the diamond road. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.